Hi guys. So today we are going to solve queries from CodeChef website. So here we have selected a basic type of question and the name is products. So here the task is to write a query to output all the columns from the product table, products table. Okay, we know that is select star from products. That's it. Okay, so we are going to the next question. Write a query to find all product name and category that have a price greater than 100 from the product table. So what are they asking for? We need to we need to select product name and category. Here, product name is there, category is there, and we should use a checkpoint as price greater than 100. So just select product name, category, where, okay, from products, where price, price greater than 100. Okay, they have mentioned only greater than. So we are using greater than symbol. So, yes, it's correct. Write a query to calculate the average salary across all companies combined. Rename the column as average salary. Okay, what they are asking us to do is we have a table called works, employee ID, company name, and salary is listed here. They're asking us to calculate the average salary across all companies combined. Okay, all together. Okay, we are getting two times corporate. Tech got two times. So let us check with this. We need only display the average salary. Select from works to by company name. Let's check this. Okay. Okay, we need to rename this as yes. So in order to rename, we can use as alias, or even without this, we can try just by entering average salary space average salary. Okay, our next task is to write a query to retrieve the department name and location of people who lives in the location that starts with is. Okay, we need to select only department name or location from table name is department name. Departments where location Let's check with this. Yes. So what is the query asked for is we have to check the location that starts with yes. In order to check with that, we are using location like. Yes, like is also um, so we are using location like yes percentage. This means starts with S and percentage indicates it has characters after S. Write a query to select all the distinct company name that is in work table. Okay, it contains multiple, I mean same company name multiple times. So we are asking for unique company names here. So we are only going to select company name from works. Okay, this is what we usually do, but here we're going to use distinct function. Write a query to find total count of books whose genre is fiction. Okay, a table consists of ID, title, order, genre, price, and published year. What they asked is we need to write, okay, find the total counts of fiction. So only thing we are going to do is select count count title from books where I have to show this as fiction count. Write a query to select only the movie names where the rating are greater than 7 but lesser than 9. Only the movie names. So it is select movie names name from cinema where rating is greater than 7 and rating lesser than 9. Let's check. Okay, it's correct. From library where rating is equal to is equal to null. Okay, we missed semicolon. Rating is null. Create a query to retrieve the employee name, company, salary in full-time category, order by salary in descending order. So they're asking us to select employee name, school name, comma, company. Okay, is all company and salary. So from employees, where category equal to full-time. Order by salary descending. Write a query to group the employees by their department and display the total number of employees as total employees in each department. Okay, here we have to use order, I mean group by, as they are saying us from each department. First point, and here we have to display department and total number of employees. Okay, so select department, comma, total number of employees as, that is, we will select as total. Sorry, we'll go with count the employee out of employee name from employees where no where condition, it is group by department, and this as total employees. Okay, I made a spelling mistake. Yeah, it's correct. Write a query to retrieve the author ID, author name, publication name for authors whose articles got 0 views. The results should be sorted by author ID in ascending order. Okay, so first we have to select author ID, author name, and publication name. Um, Views, where view count is equal to 0, or a by author ID. That's it. We don't need to mention ascending ASC. It automatically orders it in ascending order. Write a query to find the name of top 3 listing player by highest score who have won matches including their scores. Okay, they are asked us to select top 3, find the names of top 3. So names, name, okay, it is player name. Only the names. Players where, okay, here write a query to find the name of top 3 players by highest score who have won the matches including their scores. Okay, we need to even display the scores. Then we have only player ID, name, score, and rank, but they're asking for who has won. So you have to even check this table. So the matches are here and the winners are being mentioned here. Okay. So what we have to do is select the player name. We will mention this as p.player, comma, p.score, and we are going to join that with matches m on match ID equals to player ID on winner equals to p.name. P.name and order by, sorry, yes, order by score by descending. That's it. We'll check this. Okay, we need to limit it. Okay, so I've used distinct because it displayed 2 times David. So in order to solve that problem, because we have 2 times David in this matches. So the player David had played 2 matches, that is 102 and 104, and one. That is why we got that error. It is the last question is write a query to re- retrieve the details of last 5 matches played, including the ID Match ID, the name, players who participated, the name of winning player, match, and final score is the winner. It is select match ID is from your matches. Dot match ID. Okay, it is not here. This m dot player one, comma m dot player two. This match date. Join p dot player where m dot winner is equal to p dot player name. Okay, we have to retrieve the details of last 5 matches. Order by m dot match date as descending. M limit 5. Participated. We'll check this. Okay, we made some mistakes here. That is on. And before I mentioned the score, p dot score. So yes, we are done with this.